schoolish day out. Path is supposed to be 19 miles, is 19 miles in total. Started a little bit, teeny bit south from the start because I don't think the start has a parking lot. So I started at the parking lot near the Lowe's. This path is part of the East Coast Greenway. In Rhode Island, the signs say walk on the left facing bicyclists. This is next to Main Road. I don't know if I tell them on their left. I'm on their right. Some more naturey here now. At least on one side. I had to break to take off a layer. I remembered my sun sleeves today. So far this trail is very nicely shaded. Just like an alternate parking lot. A little bit trashed in certain places. Plenty of parking. What kind of nest do you think that is?
Probably like the osprey that you were talking about.
Oh wow.
See the size of those sticks?
Yeah.
They're like...
Have to be really strong. I think over on the left is another parking area. So I think this section is Warwick. Most of the section is a little uphill, feels like. Providence Street. Welcome to West Warwick Greenway. Radford Soapworks. Oh, it's like an old soap factory. Kind of looks like it's still operational. That would smell soapy. Damn. I guess we are in Arctic Village.
Cannons.
Oh wow.
Guns.
Oh yeah. Huh. American Legion. Every time I go up the slope, I just try to remind myself that it'll be nice coming down it. Turn off, a little picnic or something. Coventry Greenway. Oh, so we must be in Coventry now. Oh, a bunch of fishing, co-op spots, enjoy the views, waters and factories. Feels like a theme. Oh, this must be another parking area. Bridges. A lot of bridges. We're cycling next to the Merrill S. Whipple Conservation Area. Oh, in Coventry they maintained a little section of railroad. Oh, more railroad. I believe this is maybe the one porta potty on the trail. Nice to have an option. Oh, there's a bridle trail. There's so much water in Rhode Island. I think the bridle path or like gravel path that's parallel to here extends this whole way. For the Washington Secondary Bike Path, there's local trail names that make up this bike path. Now I think we're on the Trestle Trail Greenway. Another beautiful lake. Water. We still have the bridle path. Do you guys smell ocean? We're nearing the turnaround. It's also still definitely uphill. Coventry Mile 8. So we're officially in the last mile of the trail. And it's notably colder, like right here. A little wind tunnel. I think this is it. Bike route end. We had a nice picnic lunch. And we are on our way back. Something I'm finding more and more is just like meeting people out and about on the trails. It's really nice to just make some new like, impromptu friends. This downhill feels so awesome. We're gonna do a pit stop at Udder Delights. Classic soft serve. This is a Reese's Delight. all freezing after having our ice cream. Ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. We made it back. 36 miles round trip.